Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to send disappearing photo on WhatsApp. This is very quick and easy. Let's jump right in. First of all, you have to open WhatsApp chat, and here you have to click on this camera or this icon. First of all, you have to click on this camera icon. Here you have to select any photo from your gallery. After that, here you have to click on this. After that, here you have to click on this one icon. Here you can see you have to click on this one icon. When you click on this, now here you can see view once message just got more private. Click on this. After that, you have to click on this send icon. In this way, you can send disappearing photo in WhatsApp. Now your user cannot be able to see this photo more than one time. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. See you in the next interesting video.